Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on travel gear with REI detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your travel needs based on your intended activities and destinations. Make a list of essential gear required for your trip. Visit the REI website or your local REI store to explore their travel gear selection. Familiarize yourself with the different categories of travel gear available, such as backpacks, clothing, and camping equipment. Take note of REI's member benefits, such as discounts and access to special promotions. Consider joining REI as a member to take full advantage of these offers. Check for seasonal sales or clearance events on travel gear. Look for REI's used gear section, where you can find high-quality items at reduced prices. Explore the option of renting gear for specific trips, which can be a cost-effective solution. Keep an eye on REI's online outlet for additional deals on overstocked items. Compare prices of selected items with other retailers to ensure you're getting the best deal. Take advantage of REI's price guarantee policy for peace of mind when making a purchase. Use coupons or promotional codes found online to save even more on your purchase. Review return policies, as REI offers a generous return window for members if the gear doesn't meet your expectations. Consider buying multifunctional gear that can serve multiple purposes on your travels. Look for customer reviews on products you're interested in to gauge quality and performance. Join REI's mailing list to receive notifications about sales and new arrivals directly in your inbox. Plan ahead and purchase your travel gear during slower seasons to avoid premium pricing. Remember to factor in durability and quality, since investing in better gear can save money in the long run. Finally, keep track of your spending to ensure you stay within your travel budget. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.